Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make these picture frame portraits. For this project you're going to need one of our small construction papers, and you can find that right by my desk. There's several different colors. I chose brown for this one and green for this one. You also are going to need a drawing paper. You're going to need a glue and a scissors. I have a few more of these right by the kiln room, but I do ask that you share the scissors because I don't have a lot of the scissors. Anyways, the first thing we're going to do, as always, we always do this every single time we get a paper, we write our name small on the back. Please do this small in case you make a mistake, that way you're barely going to notice it. The next thing we're going to do is we are going to take our paper, our construction paper, and you can match it the tall way. Do it the same way as your paper, and you're going to fold that in half. Try your best to match up the corners. And I know some people want help for this, but I challenge you to do it on yourself. Try to get it so all the corners are even. Take your hand, hold it on one side, pull your hand, and crease it on both sides right there. Nice. So once you crease that, you can see that you're going to be making a square. So what we're going to need to do is we're going to draw a line that starts at the fold. And if you don't know what a fold is, it's not the open side, not this side. It's way down here, the folded side. We're going to do a line straight up, but don't hit the top. That's kind of hard to see. Let me grab a pen so it's easier for you to see. You're going to start at the fold and go up to the top. Then you're going to go straight across and back down. If you look at it, it's kind of like a letter C, all the way around like a letter C. And I want to make sure that it's on the folded side, so if you hold it, the fold is near the top. Look at that. The fold is right there. So I'm going to cut this out now. I'm going to take my scissors, remember a peace sign in one side, thumbs up in the other. I'm going to cut as straight as I can, straight across. Remember, don't cut it all the way. You can make it work, but this, you're going to be so much happier with it if you do it this way. I can put this little part to the side. Someone else might want to use that later on today. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my construction paper and open it up, and look at that. It makes a perfect picture frame to go around my paper. The paper is a little smaller, so what you're going to do is take your glue stick, put it so it's just a penny above the top. You don't need very much over the top. And I'm going to go close to the edge, up one side, close to the edge, up another side, close to the edge on the top, close to the edge on the bottom. I'll set my glue to the side. And guess what, guys? I'm going to try my best to get this all the way on my paper, covering up all those corners. Just do your best, and you're going to take your hands, pat it down. Then here's a cool tip. If you flip it over, you can kind of massage the glue into that paper. Give it a little back rub. Give that glue a little rub, and that should kind of push it down. There we go. Mine looks pretty good. I can sneak a little bit of glue under some spots that are sticking up too. I'll flip it over again. On this side, you can see that I drew a portrait. I'll put my portrait to the side so you can look at it while I'm doing this next drawing. For you, in this part in the middle, I suggest doing a portrait too. You can start out by making a face just like I'm going to do. If you would like, you can do it sideways like this and do your whole family too. So I'm going to do it the tall way, making a portrait just like here. This is a picture of me, so I'm going to start out with my two eyes. Those eyes are like little rainbows. I like to make a circle in the middle. That makes it easy to color. You can see I colored over here with blue. The next I do the nose like the letter U, and a nice smile down here. Remember, you can do your face any way that you want it. I just like to show you some tricks along the way. I got some eyebrows that I forgot in this drawing, but I'll add them on this drawing. Did you know your ears start at your eyebrow and they go down to your nose? If you feel right on your face, your eyebrows start at the top of your ears and your ears go to the bottom of the nose. Now I'm going to do some hair going across the front. I'm going to make more of a girl's haircut style, going up in the middle and back down to this side. It looks kind of like the top of a house and a really pointy unicorn head. But let's make it look a little bit more realistic with a simple rainbow up on top, There we go. Now it's looking like some longer hair. We can draw her chin coming down on both sides, connect it right in the middle. Now we want to make it look like she has a neck. His neck goes down and down. Her neck's going to go down and down. I made a little U-shaped shirt right here. You can do a V if you want. Shoulders go off to the side. Let's make it look like she's got some hair in the back, okay? I got some hair coming down on one side, coming down on the other side. Now it looks like I got some hair over there. I can add some of these textures to make it look more realistic, and you can see that when you add color, it makes it look pretty cool. Last couple things, guys. You can add details to the side, but the most important thing is you get your name underneath. I wrote Cantor because that's my last name, but you can put whatever your first name is. You can put your last name, whatever it happens to be. Go ahead and then write your name at the bottom. And then if you want to put -21, that's the year that it is right now. It's 2021, so this is 2021, and there we are. We got our portraits.